Hey everyone! Welcome back to Matrix Mentors. Today, we're diving into a killer workout routine that will leave you feeling strong and energized. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, making them a cornerstone of any effective workout routine. They primarily work the muscles of the thighs, hips, and buttocks, while also engaging the core and stabilizer muscles for balance and posture. Performing squats correctly involves standing with feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward, and lowering the body by bending the knees and hips, as if sitting back into an imaginary chair. It's crucial to maintain a neutral spine and keep the knees tracking over the toes to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. Squats can be adapted with variations such as goblet squats, sumo squats, or adding weights like dumbbells or a barbell to increase resistance and challenge muscles further. Regularly incorporating squats into your workout routine not only strengthens lower body muscles but also improves overall functional fitness and enhances daily activities. Push-ups are a classic and effective bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging the core and lower back muscles for stability. This versatile exercise can be performed virtually anywhere and requires no equipment, making it a staple in both beginner and advanced fitness routines. To execute a push-up correctly, start in a plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, elbows extended but not locked, and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body by bending the elbows until your chest nearly touches the ground. Then push back up to the starting position, engaging the chest and arm muscles. Variations such as incline push-ups, decline push-ups, or diamond push-ups can be used to adjust difficulty or target specific muscle groups. Incorporating push-ups into your workout regimen helps build upper body strength, improves muscular endurance, and contributes to overall fitness and functional strength. The plank is a highly effective core strengthening exercise that also engages multiple muscle groups throughout the body. To perform a plank, begin in a push-up position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles by contracting your abdominals and glutes, and hold this position for a set amount of time, typically starting with 20 to 30 seconds and progressing as strength increases. The plank not only strengthens the abdominal muscles but also targets the muscles of the back, shoulders, and legs as they work to maintain stability. Variations such as side planks or plank with leg lifts can add challenge and target different muscle groups. Lunges are a versatile and effective exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. They are performed by stepping forward with one leg and lowering the body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, ensuring the front knee stays directly above the ankle. This movement not only strengthens the legs but also improves balance, flexibility, and core stability as the body works to maintain proper alignment. Lunges can be varied by stepping forward, backward, or to the side, and by adding weights such as dumbbells or a barbell to increase resistance and challenge muscles further. By incorporating lunges into your workout routine, you can enhance lower body strength, improve coordination, and build functional fitness essential for daily activities and sports. Cooling down after a workout is essential for helping your body recover and return to its normal state. A proper cool-down routine typically involves gentle movements and stretching exercises that gradually decrease your heart rate and relax your muscles. This phase of your workout helps to prevent injury, reduce muscle soreness, and promote flexibility. Incorporating stretches such as hamstring stretches, quadricep stretches, calf stretches, and upper body stretches can effectively target different muscle groups. Taking deep breaths and focusing on relaxation during your cool down can also help calm your mind and enhance the overall benefits of your workout session. By dedicating time to cool down properly, you support your body's recovery process and set yourself up for continued progress in your fitness journey.